When you were asked to consider what makes PowerPoint an effective collaborative tool according to the texts, you indicated that it was because of the ability to insert images, videos, audio, among other different types of media. But those weren't really collaborative features of PowerPoint. And so that got me thinking about collaboration. And probably this is a shortcoming of the readings or limitation of the readings, whereby a lot of what they discussed is about the features of PowerPoint, but they didn't necessarily focus on collaboration. So I figured I'd go and look at the definition of collaboration. And so, according to the Oxford dictionaries, to collaborate is to work jointly on an activity or project. And it is coming from the Latin collaborate, which means work with, from the verb collaborare, which is divided between together and to work. Furthermore, when you were asked to share your experiences using PowerPoint as a collaborative tool, a great majority of you said that you had no experience or very little experience, but quite a few of you talked about PowerPoint as a collaborative tool, and you were really talking about how you have created presentations that allow for interactivity. So that got me thinking, what does it mean to interact? And here I went back to the Oxford dictionaries for help. And here, the word interactive is defined as two people or things influencing each other. When we're talking about an interactivity in terms of the computer, it is about allowing a two-way flow of information between a computer and a computer user. And then it's also related to being active, which is a very important thing when we are dealing with students. We want to make sure that they are active during their learning. So as you see, to collaborate does not equal to interact. Now, there are elements of interaction in collaboration because you definitely have to be talking to one another and exchanging information, but sometimes you are interacting and you're not necessarily collaborating. And again, because of the readings probably just focused more on the regular features of PowerPoint and not necessarily on PowerPoint as a collaborative tool, and because this really impacted how you created that piece of your sprint that had to do with PowerPoint. And I did encourage you to find additional readings so that you could really consider PowerPoint as a collaborative tool. I figured I would share with you some resources to help you improve your sprint in this regard.